so cool. Yeah, Crackles is broken. See if I can fix it.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next
your mask is broken.
I'll make you disappear. Yeah!
Please close. Crackles, close your mask! Crackles, you okay? There's this little cool thing. Yo, Chip!
Hello, it's the ranger station calling Camp Harbor Lake. We've been getting some strange reports. Please respond. Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? If you can hear this, I need help. Please. Please respond on...
This store is awesome. Yo, chill! That's gonna burst my eardrums. Yeah, you need help. This guy's cool. Yo! Hi. Hello. Oh, heck yeah.
Can you believe stand still? It's time for target practice.
You don't feel him. Crackles. Dad, it's his hair.
Oh, the hair's what's blocking it?
Yeah. Can you get the hair?
Yeah, speed jumpers. You're not supposed to come up like that.
I know, but we need a fix bell. Can I poke you out? No, I can't. Yo, guys, this guy's broken. Little cockroach. These guys are talking. That thing is not. Little owl. And oh.